Kaiber AI versus Runway. Which AI video generator wins? Choosing the right AI video generator can transform your content creation without complex editing. Kaiber AI offers creative automation while Runway focuses on powerful video editing tools. Kaiber AI and Runway are two leading AI video generators, but they serve different needs. Kaiber AI excels in automated video creation with creative AI, while Runway provides advanced editing features and real-time collaboration for professional workflows. Kaiber AI is an AI-powered video generator designed to create visually stunning videos through automated creative processes. It uses machine learning models to transform text prompts or simple inputs into dynamic video content, making it ideal for creators who want fast, unique visuals without manual editing. Kaiber AI's strength lies in its ability to generate imaginative scenes and animations quickly, perfect for marketing, social media, and conceptual storytelling. However, it has some limitations in detailed customization and fine-tuning, as the focus is on automation rather than hands-on control. This makes Kaiber AI best suited for users who prioritize speed and creativity over granular editing options. If you want to produce eye-catching videos with minimal effort and no deep technical skills, Kaiber AI offers a straightforward solution that leverages AI creativity effectively. Runway is a comprehensive AI video editing platform that combines powerful tools with AI enhancements to streamline professional video production. It supports real-time collaboration, advanced editing features, and integrates AI models for tasks like background removal, rotoscoping, and style transfer. Runway works by allowing users to upload footage and apply AI-powered effects or manual edits, offering a balance between automation and creative control. Its strengths include versatility and depth, making it suitable for filmmakers, content creators, and teams needing detailed customization and workflow efficiency. On the downside, Runway requires a steeper learning curve and more user input compared to fully automated generators. It's ideal for users who want to harness AI to enhance traditional editing rather than replace it, delivering professional-grade results with AI assistance throughout the process. Comparing Kaiber AI and Runway highlights distinct approaches to AI video generation. Kaiber AI shines in rapid, automated video creation, perfect for quick social media clips or creative concepts where customization is less critical. Runway, however, excels in detailed editing and collaborative projects, supporting complex workflows and professional output. If you need fast, imaginative videos without much manual work, Kaiber AI is the clear choice. But for projects demanding precise edits, layered effects, and teamwork, Runway offers superior flexibility and control. The trade-off is between speed and automation with Kaiber AI and depth and collaboration with Runway. Understanding your project needs will determine which platform fits best. Choose Kaiber AI for quick creative video generation with minimal effort, ideal for marketers and social creators seeking automated and visually rich content. Opt for Runway if you need advanced video editing with AI enhancements and collaborative features, perfect for professionals and teams focused on polished, customizable results. Both platforms excel in their areas, so pick the one that matches your workflow and creative goals best.